Hello children, welcome back to Maths Tuition Center. Today we will be discussing more of questions from the chapter Linear Inequations in One Variable. Hope you all are doing the questions and you're going through the theory that I've given you. Now let us try some more questions from this. See, minus 3 less than minus 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by 6. See, this is an inequation and you have double inequations. When you see this inequation, the variable is coming only in the middle. So what we need to do is eliminate all the numbers from the middle except x. So let us first remove this minus 1 by 2. Right. So what you do is to remove minus 1 by 2, you add 1 by 2. So minus 3 plus 1 by 2 less than, when you add minus plus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 cancels. So minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by 6 plus 1 by 2. So this is equal to, when you take the LCM of this, is minus 6 plus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 by 2 less than minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to, when you take the LCM, this is 6. So 5 plus 3, which is 8. So which becomes 4 by 3. Now let us remove this denominator first. So the denominator here is 2, 3, 3. So multiply all the terms by the LCM, which is 6, a positive number. So 6 into minus 5 by 2 less than 6 into minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 6 into 4 by 3. So this cancels 3 times, this cancels 2 times, this cancels 2 times. So this is minus 15 less than minus 4x less than or equal to, this is 2 into 4, which is 8. Now let us remove this minus 4. To remove this minus 4, what you do is divide by minus 4. When you divide by a negative number, inequation reverses. So when you divide this by minus 4, it becomes 15 by 4 greater than x greater than or equal to, when you divide this by minus 4, it becomes minus 2. Now just see here, this is greater. Better is you take it, flip it over, you will get a proper inequation, which is minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 15 by 4. 15 by 4 is 4 into 3, 12, 12, 3, 3 and 3 by 4. Now you see the inequation, that the replacement set that is given, the replacement set is x belongs to R. So see how you write the solution set. You know, when x belongs to R, you can't list down the set as you say in a roster form. So your answer must be in the set builder form. You will say the answer as x belongs to R such that minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 3 and 3 by 4. Let us try one more part from this. See how you plot this on the number line. So you draw the number line. This is minus 2. This is 3 and 3 by 4, a value between 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. So let me take this as a 3 and 3 by 4. 3 and 3 by 4. Now minus 2 less than or equal to. So this point is included. Less than 3 by 4 means this is not included. So just put a circle over it. I'll put one more value to the left of it. Now all the values inside this interval. So you just shade this region. This is your answer. This is how you show this on the number line. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next question. See, minus 2 and 5 by 6 less than half minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2, x belongs to W. Here the replacement set is W, means whole numbers. Okay, now let us simplify. This is again, you see that the variable x is in the middle. There's only one variable, which this variable x comes only in the middle. There are no variables on the other side of it. So let us take both together. So this is minus 6 into 2, 12, 12 plus 5 is 17 by 6. Is less than half minus 2x by 3 less than or equal to 2. Let us remove the denominator first. So here it is 6, here it is 2, here it is 3. So take the LCM of these three numbers, which is 6. Multiply all the numbers by 6. Positive number, no change in the inequation. So this becomes minus 17. Less than, when you multiply this with 6, it becomes 3 minus. When you multiply this with 6, you'll get 2 here, here another 2, so that makes 4. 4x less than or equal to 6 into 2 is 12. So just see whether you have understood this one. If not, just pause the video and you can see this. So I multiplied all the terms by 6. So see, the terms have become now simple. Let me remove this 3 first. So to remove this 3, add minus 3 on both sides. So minus 17 minus 3 less than minus 4x less than or equal to 12 minus 3. What is minus 17 minus 3? It is minus 20 less than minus 4x less than or equal to, which is 9. Now let us remove this minus 4 from the middle. Divide by minus 4 throughout. So when you divide by a negative number, inequation reverses. So minus 20 by minus 4 is 5, is greater than x is greater than or equal to, when you divide this by minus 4, it becomes 9 by 4. As I said before, it is greater, just flip it over to write it in the proper form. So this becomes minus 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is 2 and 1 by 4, right? Less than or equal to, you are flipping it over, x less than 5. So this is the solution. Okay, now see, children, x belongs to w, that is the replacement set. So take all those values of x which lies inside this interval, all those whole numbers that lie inside this interval, x is equal to, see, whole numbers, so it will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Less than 5. Now plot this on the number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll take one more value to the right of 4 and one more value to the left of 0. So this is minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the solution. See, the solutions are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just darken these numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the solution of it. I hope this is clear. Now let us pass on to the next question. Now let us pass on to the third question. See this inequation, 2y minus 3 less than y plus 1 less than or equal to 4y plus 7, where y belongs to R. So here the variable is y, but see this inequation, you see variables coming here, here, here. Everywhere you are seeing the variables. Now, what should be the procedure of doing this question? What you need to do is, you just split this inequation. How? This is how you should do it. So 2y minus 3 less than y plus 1 and y plus 1 less than or equal to 4y plus 7. So you split it into 2 and now you solve them separately. So what is this? This is equal to, what here you have to do is, you bring the variable to the right and constant to the left. So minus 3 minus 1 less than y minus 2y. Or this is minus 4 is less than, what is y minus 2y? It is minus y. We'll just leave it. We'll go to the next one. We'll see what it becomes. Here you bring the variable to the left. So y minus 4y is less than or equal to 7 minus 1. And what is y minus 4y? It is minus 3y less than or equal to 7 minus 1 is 6. See, you need to make this same so that you can combine. Let me just remove 3 from this. So minus 4 less than minus y, and I'll divide both sides by plus 3 because here it is minus y. So I'll just keep it as minus y. So I'm dividing by plus 3. So plus 3 means this is minus y less than or equal to 6 by 3 is 2. So these two terms have become the same. So what you can do now is combine the two. So this is minus 4 less than minus y less than or equal to 2. Now you remove this minus sign from this. So when you remove this minus sign, you're multiplying by a negative number. So just reverse the inequation. So this becomes plus 4 greater than y greater than or equal to minus 2. So as I said in previous questions, it is greater. So flip it over to write it in the proper form. So minus 2 less than or equal to y less than 4. Children, see the replacement set. The replacement set is real numbers. So you can't list out. So your answer, the solution set will be in the set builder form. So you'll say y belonging to R such that minus 2 less than or equal to y less than 4. And let us show this on the number line also. Let us study how to show this on the number line. This is minus 2. So I'll put minus 2 here and here it is 4. So let me just put one number on either side of it. Then minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. See, all the values between minus 2 and 4, minus 2 is included, but 4 is not included. All the values means you darken the entire region between these two. This is the answer. This is how you show the graph of this solution. I hope this question is clear to you. Now let us pass on to the next question. Hello children, now let us go to the next question. You see, it is just like the previous question. You see variables on all sides. So what you do is you just split it. 3z minus 5 less than or equal to z plus 3 and z plus 3 less than 5z minus 9. Bring this variable to the left side. Not the variable. You take the constant to the left side and take the constant to the left side and this variable to the right side. So minus 5 minus 3 less than or equal to z minus 3z and z minus 5z is less than minus 9 minus 3. Bringing the variable to the left and constant to the right. So this is minus 8 less than or equal to z minus 3z is minus 2z and z minus 5z is minus 4z less than minus 12. Let us remove this 2 and 4 from this. So what you can do is you divide this by 2. This becomes minus 4 is less than or equal to minus z. I'm just dividing by 2. And let us divide this by 4. So this is minus z less than minus 3. So you see these two are the same. You can combine. So minus 4 less than or equal to minus z less than minus 3. Now let us remove this negative from the z. So multiply by minus 1. So when you multiply by a negative number, the inequation will reverse. So z greater than 3. So just flip it over to get the proper form. 3 less than z less than or equal to 4. Now see the replacement set. The replacement set is real numbers. So how do you write the solution set? Solution set will be equal to z belonging to R such that 3 less than z less than or equal to 4. Let us show this on the number line. How do you show this on the number line? So you have all values between 3 and 4. So I'll just show one value here to the right, left, and this 5 to the right. So 3 is not included, putting a circle. 4 is included, darken it. All the answers, all the portion between these two is your answer. This is the solution of this particular question. I hope this question is clear. So now children, just see this. Now the questions are similar to the previous question. Here you see variables on all sides. So you split this one and you split this and solve it. Make the middle term same, combine it and then say the solution. So this is a homework for you. Just try this question. Then let us see the next question. See, this is a similar one. You see variable here and here. So split it into 2, solve it, then combine it, say the solution. So this also you can do by yourself. Same question, combine these two, solve it, and then combine and then get the answer. So you can try this question as homework. And coming to the last question, see here, you can solve like this. It's greater, no problem. If you want, you can flip it over right now itself, or you can do that at the end. Split this into 2 inequations, solve it, and then combine. So this is again a homework for you. So if you can try these many questions from this chapter, you are ready for the board examination. Okay, children. So that's all from this particular chapter. Try more questions and get back to me. If you need the solutions of these questions, you just ask for it. It will be put in the chat box. Okay. Right. Thank you.